underlining. So on this fabric, as I was cutting it for my daughter, for her dress, I realized that you can see through it fairly easily. I mean, not fairly easily, but she would have to pay attention to what color underwear she's wearing, which at 11 years old, that's not really something that age tends to like to do. So what I decided to do was underline her dress. So this is her dress. It's been underlined with just a really lightweight cotton. So then she can wear whatever color undergarment she wants and it won't matter. To underline, to do an underlining, I like to do glue basting instead of sewing with the machine. And I use this fine line applicator. The standard tip is what I like best. So you take your pieces before you've done any sewing, cut out the main pieces out of your fabric and your underlining fabric, and the glue that I'm using is just Elmer's washable glue. And I just put nice small amount along this area within the seam allowance. Put the underlining up on it. And then I take my iron and just press down into it. I find that when I use bursts of steam, it kind of helps, but the iron helps to dry your glue really fast. So now these two pieces they're basted together, but yet it's still flexible, and all of this will wash out when I go to wash it.